Section 4. Crafting engaging content. To truly stand out and engage your audience, your content must shine. Compelling content is the lifeblood of your social media marketing strategy. Start by developing a content calendar that aligns with your business goals. This ensures a consistent and coherent message across all platforms. Mix up your content types. Experiment with impactful visuals, informative videos, captivating stories, and thought-provoking blog posts. Variety keeps your audience intrigued and eagerly awaiting your next post. Remember to involve your audience. Encourage user-generated content. Respond to comments and provide valuable insights. Engagement is the key to building trust, loyalty, and a vibrant community around your brand. Section 5. Leveraging influencer marketing. One highly effective strategy in this age of digital influencers is leveraging influencer marketing. Consider collaborating with influencers whose values and audience align with your brand. This can significantly amplify your reach, credibility, and ultimately, your sales. When choosing influencers, focus on relevance over follower count. Micro-influencers with smaller but highly engaged audiences can often deliver better results than mega-influencers with oversized followings. Don't forget to create compelling offers or promotional codes exclusive to your influencer partnerships. This incentivizes audience engagement and promotes conversions, ensuring a mutually beneficial partnership. Conclusions. Congratulations, my entrepreneurial friends. You've now unlocked the secrets to successful social media marketing. Remember, define your goals, know your audience, select the right platforms, craft engaging content, and leverage influencer marketing. As you implement these strategies, adapt and analyze your efforts to maximize your business's potential in the ever-evolving social media landscape. With consistent effort, creativity, and an entrepreneurial mindset, you're well on your way to conquering the social media marketing world. Stay tuned for more valuable content coming your way. Until then, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow business owners who deserve to witness their dreams become a reality. This is Tahir Hussain, signing off. See you in the next video.